all that you've done, I will thank you. For all that you're going to do, for all that you've promised, and all that you are is all that has carried me through. Jesus, I thank you, and I thank